I'm now going to demo the elastic foot to add an elastic gathering to a project, say lingerie or bathing suits, sportswear, or since I'm about to have my first grandchild, maybe you want to make a sheet set, and the fitted sheet will require some elastic. So I'm going to slide the elastic in that slot while I have it off the ankle. You would want to pull this up so it passes the needle area, and this can be made tighter or looser to make the gathering tighter or looser. So let's put it on the ankle now. Okay, I have my elastic in place, and I could, if I wanted to, loosen this screw and move this guide over a little bit so that the elastic is held more snugly, but I think we'll be okay as is. I would put my fabric down wrong side up if I'm going to eventually turn the elastic part over. And I've previously tacked down my elastic a little bit with a few stitches. Now you see how nice and neat that looks, finished edge and lots of stretch. So perfect for lingerie, for sportswear, anything where you want that elastic gather. So super easy on the Serger, Meyer Air 7000.